10 platforms for trading stocks or investment platforms that are making Nigerians rich right now. So the first one I'll be talking about is Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers. So they are for serious investors and long-term traders that are focused on Nigerian stocks and funds. That is who they are for. So I can tell you about that. They are backed by one of Africa's strongest financial groups, which is Standard Bank. They also have access to NGS listed stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and government securities. They are SEC licensed, NGS members, and NASD registered. And then when you want to look at them, you want to see, you want to compare their fee to fintech apps. They have higher fees when you want to compare them to fintech brokers. And then another problem with them is that when it comes to onboarding you, registering and bringing you on board, they are very slow. When it comes to you registering and coming on the platform, they are a bit slower in comparison to fintech brokers. And then they have limited access to US or foreign stocks. So mainly they are focused with local stocks and limited access to foreign stocks. So when it comes to their registrations and regulations, they are SEC Nigerian licensed, NGS member, and then they are NASD member as well. Okay, so Stanbic IBTC stockbroker is a very good one, and I'm ranking them as number 1 for this video. So the second one I will be talking about is the Bamboo app. Okay, so Bamboo, I'm ranking them as number 2. So this is for beginners who want easy access to US stocks and Nigerian stocks. You want access to US stocks, you also want access to Nigerian stocks very easily, then Bamboo is the app for you. So on that, why am I saying that, or what's the positive side to that, is because they have simple interface, they have fractional shares, and then they partner with US brokers, which is the FINRA, and then SIPC protected. So because of that, they have a very simple interface actually. So if you are coming onto the investing platforms newly, you want to start investing and you are still a beginner, you don't know how to go about it, Bamboo app is one of the easiest apps for you to start with, and you can access both Nigerian apps, stocks, and also you can access US stocks as well. One of their downside is they charge you for currency conversion fee. If you are doing US stocks, they charge you for that, and sometimes there might be some occasional app delays. They are registered with SEC Nigeria, just like I said before, and they partner with US FINRA, regulated broker. So they are regulated in the US and also in Nigeria, so you have no issues when you are using Bamboo app. Now the third one I'll be talking about is Chaka, the Chaka app. And with Chaka, of course, I'm rating them number 3. If you are someone, an intermediate investor who wants local and foreign exposure with research tools, okay, you want to invest locally in the local stocks or foreign with US stocks or any other stocks foreign, so you can actually use Chaka. And then they also have tools that you can use in order to check each stocks and to decide on which one you want to go for. So one of the positive side is that you have access to up to 4,000 plus global stocks, smart investment automation, and also good learning resources. Okay, so when you want to learn or you want research tools, they actually have all of that. So you want automations when it comes to investments, they have very good smart investor automation. And then one of their downside is sometimes their platform can feel a bit complex. It can feel complex for people that are just coming into trading. And another thing is higher local transaction fee when you want to actually do transaction with them. They have SEC digital sub-broker license. They have the SEC digital sub-broker license, so they are reliable and you can actually use them. Now the fourth one I'll be talking about is Trove. So beginners who want both local and foreign stocks in one app. Okay, you want both local and foreign stocks in one app, you can actually use Trove. And then for the positive side, of course, they have dual market access, which is the Nigerian market and the US market. And also they have low starting capital. For you to invest with them, minimum of 1,000, you can of course start investing on Trove. And then they have easy learning tools as well, of which you can be able to do your research and also learn about investing in the stock market and investing generally. So one of their issues, or the issues they have, is occasional funding delays. Okay, when you want to fund, there might be some little delays. And another thing they used to have is the FX related withdrawal fee. But if you want to withdraw in foreign currency, there might be some withdrawal fee that will be charged, and you have to take note of that. So you have to check them out as well, do your own research, and know which platform you want to use. But I'm ranking them number 4 from my ranks, and then the partner with SEC licensed brokers. So that's number 4. And then number 5 I'll be talking about is AvriInvest. You see, AvriInvest is for experienced investors, for professionals and institutions. That is what they are mainly good for. And one of their good sides is that they have full research reports, and then you have access to equities, access to bonds, and you have access to mutual funds. Also, you have long-standing reputation. They have long-standing reputation. They have been in existence over a decade, and of course, you can use them. So one of their downside is more formal account process. Their account processing, have to pass through the formal process, which might, delay a bit, and then you have limited foreign access. When it comes to AvriInvest, they are licensed with both SEC and with NGX, so you can actually use them. So number 6 is Meristem. Well, they are traditional broker, and of course they are also good for experienced investors, even though I said that beginners and intermediate investors can also use them. They are good for professionals and also for institutions, and also they have access to equity, bonds and mutual funds, and they have long-standing reputations. And also, just like I said for AvriInvest, Meristem also has formal account processing, and also they have limited foreign access, and they are licensed with SEC and also with NGX as well. So you might want to check them out. The number 7 is Cowrywise, and Cowrywise, actually they are good for regulated mutual funds. Beginners can use them, and they also have stocks as well. When it comes to Cowrywise, one of their good side is automation. Okay, so automated investing is one of their strong side or positive side. Another thing is that they are SEC licensed funds manager, and also they are very transparent and safe. Your money will be in safe custody. One of their downside is limited high risk options. You don't have more high risk options. If you are an high risk trader, you want options where you can pick stocks that are high risk. They don't really have much of that. So they are licensed. They have SEC fund asset management license. They have SEC fund and asset management license. So Cowrywise is another that good one, and I made video about Cowrywise and Bamboo in my previous video, where I explain how you can register and start buying immediately. If you are a beginner, you don't know how to go about investing and in stocks, I showed you the Cowrywise and Bamboo app, how you can start with them. So I will have the video card at the top of this video. You can click on it, and also I will have it at the back of the video. At the end of the video, you can also click on it to watch it in order to get started with investing and investment. Also RiseVest, and for RiseVest, they are dollar based. So dollar based investors wanting US exposure and passive investing. So if you are someone that likes to trade in dollar, you want to buy dollar based stocks, dollar based projects, of course RiseInvest is for you. Even though you are in Nigeria, you can use RiseVest to invest in US or dollar based assets. So yeah, one of their positive side is that you can invest in US assets, you can hedge against naira devaluation, and also you can buy US stocks, you can buy real estate projects, and also you can buy fixed income investments like the US bond from RiseInvest. But everything is done in dollar. You have to understand that. One of their issues or they have before was they have regulatory friction before, which has possibly been resolved now, and then they don't have direct NGX trading. Like I told you, they are always in dollars, and they focus more on dollar trading. So they partner with foreign brokers, so no direct SEC Nigerian brokers. Like I told you, most of their trading is based on US trading, so not direct Nigerian brokers. That is concerning their regulation. It's mainly foreign brokers regulations that they have. Number 9 we're talking about is PiggyVest. PiggyVest actually is more of a saver app, okay, an investment app, not really a stock trading app. So it's for savers who want safe, low risk investment options. Okay, so there are a lot of investment options you have on PiggyVest. You can also save and have high yield return on your savings, but they are not majorly for stock trading, but they are investment platforms and apps that actually help people become rich in this season and in this time. So one of their positive side is that it is very easy to automate your savings, and then they work with licensed funds manager. Okay, so your money is secure. And one of their downside is that, just like I said, you don't have any direct stock buying process. So you don't really buy stocks or do anything that have to do with stocks on PiggyVest, but you can do other investments and have higher return on your money. So they works with SEC approved partners. SEC approved partners. So that's number 9. And then number 10, High Invest. And High Invest is actually a product of Parthian Partners Limited. They are a financial service firm that is licensed by the Nigerian Security and Exchange Commission. And right there, you can actually invest into stocks and also have your money saved and have those investments done. So High Invest is my number 10 pick. And these are the top 10 investment apps and platforms you can use to also make yourself rich, as Nigerians are making themselves rich, and you can trade stocks on them. So see you in my next video, and bye for now.